What's up, Jessica Dice Squad? Today we're trying a bird's nest. It has raw chicken, raw fish, raw meat, and all the meats in the world squished up into one smoothie.
It does not, guys. It's just a vegetable bird's nest. So it looks like a little bird's. It doesn't really look so much like a bird's nest, but it looks like a crunchy, delicious treat. So we are going to try it out. So there's the ingredients. And it also comes with a soy dipping sauce. And the nutrition facts. And there it is. It says, Trader Joe's vegetable bird nest are a tasty combination of onion, carrot, and kale. Each vegetable is julienne, then joined together to form a vegetable nest. Fully cooked, just heat and serve for a wonderful entree appetizer. We have included a savory soy sauce for your dipping pleasure to create an authentic tempura eating experience. And we're not going to fry it, we're going to bake it. Yeah. 3 pieces is 230 calories. These look like they're going to be crunchy and delicious, but it looks like it's going to be hard to control yourself and only eat 3. I'll see you guys in 10 minutes when I have to flip you over and then cook you for another 10 minutes. So they're all done. This is like ASMR, because you can hear the noise. Hear how it sounds? It sounds like water, but it's all the little oil sizzling.
We're going to be trying this now, the veggie nest. So we're going to be trying it in the dipping sauce they provided. I will be going first. This one's halfway eaten. Okay.
Mom, you want one? Mom.
Okay, hey guys, let your baby sister try it. She wants to try one too. Oh, hold on. Hold on, is it good for you? You don't like it?
Sauce? I just pretend that I like this.
Do you like it, Laura? You like it?
Not that much.
Not that much? So just Vincent like it? Oh.
Yes.
Helena has his favorite sauce right here. It's called Yoshida.
Yeah, it tastes better with that sauce.
Oh, okay, now I will give it a try. It's good because I really like veggie tempura. Let's just make veggie tempura, crunchy vegetable. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.